getting ready to install my new intake on my X3M40. So we're gonna get started and we're gonna see how she sounds after, and I'm super duper pumped. I need to take out the active grill shutter thingies so we can get in through this way instead of this way. Got these things out. Got them out.
There's the original factory airbox.
Bada bing, bada boom. So yesterday we completed the install of my MAD front mount intake, which started with removing all of the stock intake plastic stuff, and then we got in the lovely Mastery of Art and Design silicone front mount intake. It was super easy to install. It was literally just some little clamps that we had to do. The most difficult part of the process was definitely this front part. We had to remove the active grill shutters, which was a little bit of looking up YouTube videos to figure that out. And then getting the air filter to fit in, it's a squeeze. It definitely presses against the air filter. So Andrew ended up shaving off part of my grill so it wouldn't rub against the filter so bad. But we got her installed and she sounds freaking much better, so I'm super excited about this upgrade. But this is her! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It was 3 pieces and she's done.